biggest mistake that you're making as an investor is that you're not investing in Dubai. Right now, I am at Brixton office in Delhi. बहुत बारी मेरे इन्वेस्टर बोल रहे थे मीका we cannot go to Dubai but we really want to invest in Dubai. So I am bringing Dubai to you right here, right now. Come in. So today I'm showcasing you this wonderful project by B&W. It's called as Pelagia. It is coming on Al Marjan Island. It is the same island जहाँ पे Wynn Casino आने वाला है. And once the Wynn Casino is there, the property prices are going to grow exponentially. And let's not even wait till Wynn Casino का arrival because उससे पहले ही property prices बहुत exponentially increase होने वाले और हो चुके हैं. If you look into the market trends. So what is it here for you as an investor? They're offering wonderful 2-bedroom, 1-bedroom apartment. And as we look into this model, I will just focus here. जैसे 2 bedrooms से जितने apartments हैं इस side पे है. Plus the best thing is you also get a plunge pool here. And it's on Al Marjan Island. Al Marjan Island and उधर ही आने वाला है Wynn Casino. And this is one of the first casino जो कि आने वाला है on an island. If we talk about Wynn as a brand, we have Wynn in Macau, we have Wynn in Las Vegas. This is going to be Wynn first time on an island. And all the properties जो यहाँ पे आने वाले हैं इसके here, they're going to be water facing or just few minutes away from water. So this is the best thing. If we talk about the price point, the price for 1 bedroom starts at around 5.4 crore rupees. अगर हम दिल्ली की मार्केट से कंपेयर करें, दिल्ली में आपको क्या मिलता है? कुछ भी नहीं. Like in my area, you get a 200 yards below floor. But here you get so many amenities. Like there's a plunge pool आपकी building में. And as we move forward, we also have a penthouse. I'm not going to share the price of the penthouse because it's exclusive. You have to DM me to know about the price of the penthouse. But I'm going to show you more amenities that the developer is providing here. Come with me. जैसे ही हम इस साइड पे देखते हैं प्लंज पूल है टॉप पे एंड ऑल्सो इस पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्ट में डेवलपर प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं स्विमिंग पूल, किड्स प्ले एरिया, अ जिम एंड व्हाट नॉट एंड ऑल्सो कार पार्किंग स्पेस. Plus the location of this project is top notch. And to all my investors जो कहते हैं कि नेहा मैं दुबई नहीं जा सकता but I want to invest and stay in Delhi and I want to invest here, don't worry, I have your back because I am bringing Dubai to you right here, right now. And अब आप मीटिंग कर सकते हो डेवलपर से in Delhi. Yes, so contact me on the number mentioned below and I'll be happy to assist you.